Hello my dear students, this is our fourth video regarding our first chapter, the fish tale. These logboats do not go very far. Which logboats? This one. Okay, simple one. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometers in a 1 hour. How many kilometers? 4 kilometers in a 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? See over here. Cross multiplication method you have to use. Here it is already given 4 kilometers in a 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, 4 kilometers, either for the 4 kilometers we required 1 hour. So what is our question? 10 kilometers. 4 kilometers is equal to 1 hour. So 10 kilometers is equal to, we don't know. Put over here question mark and then cross multiplication. You are very familiar with this method. We learned in 4th standard and we did so many sums. Cross multiplication. So 10 ones are 10 and remaining this part is our denominator. So 4 you have to write in a denominator. Understood? Okay. These you have to write in your notebook. Whenever here red mark is there, it shows your questions. These things you have to copy in your notebook. Guess how far you can go in a 1 hour if you walk fast. So you have to write your answer over here, your imagination over here, your logic. You have to put over here. Now, fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you only see the water, nothing else. Find out. Look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises. Okay, from where you are, what the interesting thing do you see to your east? This is your activity, students. Okay, take your position and find out which side sun is there and what is in your east side. Name the two things that are lying to your west and you have to write the two things. Everyone's answer may be different over here, it's okay. You have to write which two things in your west side. You have to write this one also in your notebook. What to catch? Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. So it is not too easy task to catch the fish. Am I right? Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have a motor and go further into the sea. Motor boats go little fast than the simple boats. Since they go far out, they can catch more fishes and they can catch more fishes. These boats travel faster at the speed about 20 kilometers in a 1 hour. How much? 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So how far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? So about 1 hour. We know it will go till the 20 kilometers, but we have to find about 3.5 hours. So 3.5 means 3.5. You know very well decimal and fraction. In fraction we can write like this way, 3.5. And for the decimal we can write like this way. So this is our question. I will show the answer how you have to find out. First remember, for the 1 hour 20 kilometers. So 1 hour is equal to 20 kilometers. R and kilometer. R under R, kilometer under kilometer. So for the 3.5 hours, how many kilometers? We don't know. Put the question mark. Cross multiplication. So 20 multiplied by 3.5 and remaining you have to write as a denominator. So here when you multiply 20 multiply by 3.5, you can find the answer 70 kilometer. I saw over here, students, multiplication, you know this very well, but then also I saw over here multiplication, it is compulsory, you have to show. Understood? Now second question, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? So see difference over here. Here R is given, so we wrote R, but over here kilometer given, we have to find the answer in R. So change, kilometer is given, so first write kilometer and then write R. Here R is given, first one, so we wrote over here R and then kilometer. Okay. So 20 kilometer is equal to 1 hour. So we have to find regarding 85 kilometer. We don't know, put question mark. Cross multiplication, 85 ones are. And then remaining is a denominator. So you have to put in denominator. So what you have to do over here? Division. I saw the division over here. Students, don't worry. I saw over here division. And answer is 4.25 hour. I will send this one also in a PDF form. Students, page number 7 and question over here, 5th standard maths. You have to find out. Understood? I mention over here page number. Please prepare your notebook neat and clean. Thank you.